An inmate at the St. Catherine Adult Correctional Center is blaming the COVID-19 outbreak at the facility on warders who he claims are not wearing their masks. In a statement yesterday, the Department of Correctional Services, DCS, said there are 74 positive COVID-19 cases among the inmate population. The inmate, whose voice has been changed to protect his identity, says the warders interact with the public and should comply with the COVID-19 protocols to protect those incarcerated.
We are in a bubble and we're not going out and nobody else not coming in. But them, we're not getting any visits. So who will bring it in? How it come? Them, the officers. And then they are cussing us, telling us that they don't want to come here to catch the dirty corona from the prisoner then because they all have it. We're not going out there. You are the one bringing it in. So if they monitor their staff better, they could reduce it.
The inmate also noted that they have not received enough personal protective equipment.
No sanitizer. They issue like, since the outbreak, they will start to issue like 2 masks per day. Sometimes, because sometimes you don't get it. Sometimes the water out the box.